Hi my peeps, good morning. What's up, Wagwan? So guys, now I have one chicken breast and I'm gonna cut it up in strips because I'm gonna make some chicken chow mein. Alright. I cut my chicken and then I wash it in some vinegar and we're gonna start to season it up. Alright. Over here guys, I have my blended seasoning. I'm gonna put about 2 teaspoons. Something like that. That's good enough. I will leave a link how to blend this seasoning. Garlic, pimento, thyme, scallion, and all of that in it. Onion. Alright, good for marinade. And now I'm going to put about a teaspoon of paprika. A teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna put about half teaspoon of this one, garlic, pepper, and herbs. About half teaspoon black pepper. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon browning. That's it for the seasoning, alright? You wanna mix this all together. Alright guys, I'm gonna sit this down for about an hour and then I'm gonna chop up the rest of the ingredients. I have a little piece of ginger. I'm gonna cut it in small pieces. Four pegs of garlic, I'm gonna cut them in small pieces. I have some frozen green beans and I'm just going to cut them in 2. I have 1 onion. I have 2 stalks of scallion. I wash everything already, okay guys? This one I'm going to cut down the middle because it's thick. I'm going to add a little bit of pak choy. I'm going to use just a little bit of cabbage. I'm gonna cut it up in like medium-sized pieces. I'm gonna use 1 carrot and I'm gonna cut it like in strips. And the final thing, I have some green and some red bell peppers. I'm going to cut them in strips. Now guys, I'm going to use 2 packs of these noodles. Alright, we're not going to use the seasoning. We're just going to put them to boil. Here I have my honey sriracha. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. I'm going to put about half teaspoon apple cider vinegar. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of honey. A little bit of garlic powder, about half teaspoon. And another half teaspoon of onion powder. And we're going to give this a little mix. If you don't have apple cider, you can use about a teaspoon of lemon juice. Teaspoon of this crushed red pepper. And that's for my sauce for later, okay guys? I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of this canola and extra virgin olive oil. Not much. 2 tablespoons will do. 1, 2. Now I'm gonna put my ginger and my garlic to burn. I'm gonna put half of the onions now, and I'm gonna add the other half later. Now I'm gonna pour my chicken in. And you cut them real thin so they're gonna cook fast, alright? But you kinda want brown it up or fry it up somewhat, alright? No water, okay guys? Remember, no water. So you know Jamaican people cook? We're gonna cover this and make it simmer a little bit. And then I'll come back. As soon as the water starts to come to a boil, I'm not gonna add no oil, no salt, no nothing, because the seasoning already in the chicken. I'm gonna put 2 packs of these noodles. I'm gonna let them boil for like a minute and a half tops, 2, and then I'm gonna strain it off and set them aside. All right. There it is. After 2 minutes of boiling, we're gonna strain this off. All right, you don't want it to be overcooked. So after this water, this gravy subside, dry down, we're gonna add everything. Okay. Gonna add my cabbage, my carrot, and my pak choy. Everything gonna cook all at once. I'm gonna go in with my bell peppers. Look at the flavor, guys. Look at the color. You can eat it just like this, okay guys? You don't have to put anything else, all right? And now I'm gonna add my green beans, the scallion, our green onion, and the rest of onions, all right? Just the heat gonna cook everything, all right? After about 2 to 4 minutes, this is where I'm at, all right? Look how good it is. All right, now guys, I'm gonna pour my noodle on top, and at the same time I'm gonna add my sauce. I'm gonna mix it together. All right. All right guys, after you mix it together like this, you can turn the stove off because you don't want to get it too soggy. All right, so now you can turn the stove off. Can you see the goodness here, guys? Woo! Just gonna plate up some, okay? This is a serving for a whole big family. All right guys. Oh my goodness, can you see this, guys? And that's what we're plating today, guys. Make it really high, make a heap. Woo! Yes guys, and this is my chicken chow mein. Look at that, guys. Woo! The vegetables still fresh and juicy and crunchy. A little bit of parsley on top. just for decoration. And that's it, guys. That's the goodness right there. My delicious chicken chow mein. Yes. All right, guys, after everything, this is me tasting it for you. Woo! Pick up a little bit of everything. Oh my goodness. And it's spicy. Ooh. Healthy, spicy, crunchy, and delicious. Oh my god. Ooh. Look at that goodness, guys. Guys, I prepared for myself, so I didn't use much oil. You can cook without a lot of oil, okay, guys? You hear that crunchiness of the cabbage on the package, right? Oh my goodness. Show you how soft the chicken is. See it, guys? Jamaican people love when their food cook. Oh my god, this is so good. One of my best recipe yet. Oh my god. Look at that. Alright, guys, I'm gonna drink some water and finish eat, and you have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.